tell him soon. Maybe we should have made apparently cardboard is a great building material.
Here you go, this is the Athena again. This so far has been the best rocket, the one that goes the highest.
Can you do it? It's hard.
Taft's though, his had some good spin on it.
Yeah. The Coca.
I don't think I've seen yours launch yet, Halston, have I? Maybe I have.
Mine's going to.
Is yours going to be next? Okay, I'll definitely get that on video.
Oh, this is where we're supposed to be when the Athena is launching.
And about what do you get the pressure to?
90.
You get to 90 and then you launch it? Okay.
Do it higher!
Hey, Holden. Oh, you're pulling the pin.
Higher. The seal started breaking before we got to 90 on this one last time.
Holden, Daddy's going to be in charge. That's too dangerous for you.
Keep going.
Okay.
Are you getting close?
Okay, here we go.
Here's the pressure.
Whoa! Whoa, it is up there. Is that in someone's back porch?
Yeah.
I think it was a bird and run away.
Those darn kids, we're talking.
Scream it really loud. That was so... You darn kids are grounded.
No, we didn't even get to 90 on that one. So maybe that...
Esty, that was yours. Eddie wants to get mine on video.
I think it's just that one.
Awesome rocket, Esty.
Esty, that was
Wait,
the
hold on.
best
We're doing this one.
rocket
Oh, wait, no, we're doing Adler's first.
This is Halston's. This is the Hades. I think I did get video of this one before.
Can I take some off mine?
Did they fix that on their own?
What?
What'd you think, Hannah? Did that one go really high?
I can't get soaking anymore.
Thanks for the soaking wet hug.
Yes. Dad, can I take that was the worst part.
You do whatever you want to.
Without that, it would be so good.
There's Esty and Hilly over there. Oh, I can hardly see them. There's Hannah.
Pressure on that one. Yeah, put a lot of pressure.
This one might even be better than that one, too. What'd you say about mine? It's spiking me.
Oh, also the Coca's ready. Yeah, the Coca is the one that spins. I got some stuff off on.
I think the TIE Fighter spins. I don't know what the Conca does.
The Coca
Have we shot yours again?
Oh,
I think the Athena has been the best design stuff.
Yeah, the 10 fins and the cone.
I think it's the fins.
this one only has
Okay, start pumping.
Okay, here we go. Here's Halston's Hades rocket.
Can Dad pump one bigger than the Athena one, and just but with the same exact.
Hey Holden, when you're done, after your turn, it's Scott's turn to pump the rocket. Halston has asked if his dad can do it.
We'll put
Do the exact same design as the Athena. What? Put two together.
top off the bottom.
Scott, Halston has asked if you would do that, so when Holden's done.
On the Athena one. What we should do with the Athena one, we should put even more fins.
Okay, Holden, now it's Uncle Scotty's turn. Thanks, Holden.
Mom, we should put like 50 fins on it. No, it's going to be good.
Tell us when you're getting close.
It's not going to be loud. I need to close my ears out of the whole thing. I'm going to put it right here. Put more pressure on it. Mom, if you go way over there, put tons of pressure on it.
Oh.
Just at 60.
Okay. Ready? No, keep going. Keep going if it will.
Sorry.
Right here, start to
80. No, 90. Is it at 90? I'm watching Hades. This is the Hades.
Hi, girlie. Where's your SpongeBob?
There it goes.
Oh, that one has some good spin.
Yeah, that made out. Now let's try mine again. No, the lead, the lead. Can you open up with as much?
Pour it in Holden's. If it's too much, pour it in Holden's.
Yeah, pour it in Holden's. Holden's doesn't have as much.